In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a Google form using ChatGPT. So we are not going to create every single field of our form. Everything will be done by ChatGPT. So let me show you how it's done. So first we are going to open ChatGPT. And so we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a quiz questions for maybe USA history containing 10 questions, which will be a mix of multiple choice questions and true false and other multiple choices, etc. So let's see what we get here. So let's click on hit and let's see what it generates. All right, so here we have the question. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a script that we can use on Google Form. And then I'll show you how you can add that script to create the entire Google Form. So here we have given the prompt to create a script that we can use to create a Google Form. So let's see how it goes. Right, so it's working on the script. So here we have it. All right, so this is how the script's going on. All right, so our script is generated. Let's go ahead and copy this. We have a button. Let's click on this. And now we go back to Google Forms and create a new form. So here is a sample form. So here are some default fields. So we are going to leave everything as it is and go directly to these three dots here. And then we have apps script option. Let's click on this. It's going to open up this section and we are going to paste our script here. So let's go ahead and do that. And we are going to click on save. And then we're going to click on run. So it's going to execute our script to create the final form. It's going to ask us to review the permissions so that we can have access to this account. So let's do that. So we're going to choose the account of Google that we are using to create this form. And then just click on continue. And execution is started. And the execution is complete. So now our form must be created. So here you can see the form URL. So it says form created at this location. And you can also see the publish URL here. So you can either copy this URL from here, or you can go to your Google Drive. And if you go to recent, there you will find a new form created. So you can open it from here. So now you can see that our new form is created. We have all the questions that we have got from ChatGPT. Now, just in case if it got some hallucination or if there's any error, then you can go ahead and click on this and change anything about this question. And you can also add images and all the required things to update this form. So this is how we created a complete Google form using just ChatGPT. If you need any professional help regarding your Google sites, then make sure you check out the link in the video description.